This tutorial review will show you how to reactivate a deleted TikTok account. It's possible to recover your TikTok account within 30 days of deleting your account. After 30 days, deleted TikTok accounts are permanently closed and cannot be recovered. To recover a deleted TikTok account, you need your original email or phone number and your account password. If you have decided to delete your TikTok account, you can still recover your TikTok account. Assuming you deleted your account less than 30 days ago, you can get it. You can get it back again. Here's how to recover your TikTok account. Open your TikTok app. Tap on sign up. Tap on login at the bottom. And all you have to need is just log into that account you want to recover or reactivate, and you have to verify your phone or email. Once you verified, tap on reactivate, and that's how we can reactivate deleted TikTok account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.